Hey, what's up guys? This is your boy Travis back again here at Big Boy Toy Reviews. And today we are doing a review of another Figma. This time this is part of the Figma Styles series. And we have Figma SP157B and SP159B, which is the armed JK variant A2 code Urbex, and then we have the armed JK variant C2 code Urbex. So this is C2, this is A2, and I don't know why they give them those weird names. No clue. I guess this might be also a dual collab with Tommy Tech or Tommy Tech. I don't know if that's another kind of company or whatever, but Tommy Tech seems to be part of this release too. And you've seen me review these girls before. I'm going to do both of these at the same time. These are the inserts that are inside the boxes, so I guess you can use those as background displays if you want to. But I thought those were pretty cool, so I wanted to go ahead and show those. This one looks like a parking lot. This one looks like the inside of a school. Very strange, very strange. You're wondering why they look like they don't, well, they don't look like it. They don't have any skirts on, as the boxes do have skirts. That's because they didn't come in the box with skirts. So skirts are part of their accessories apparently. And so I didn't put the skirts on. We'll put the skirts on later once we go through the accessories, but we're gonna look at them like they came out the box. That's how we do it around here. So anyway, taking a look here at both of them. Yeah, they're super cute. You can see this one kind of has like the purplish pink eyes. This one has like the kind of green, yellowish green eyes here. Super cute faces. You do get a little bit of like shading in her shirt. You can kind of see kind of some blue shading there. This one has a bit more armor on her, obviously. Got the knee pads, the kind of boot kind of thing going on here. Obviously she's a ginger. Same kind of thing going on with the bows and stuff, but I guess because she has this vest on and hers isn't kind of hanging down like the other ones. But yeah, you can see kind of what the articulation is doing there. We are back to your typical Figma joints here, so that's unfortunate. But yeah, that's her. And then we got the this is a C2. And she's a lot more plain. As you can see, there's not a whole lot to say about this one. But yeah, they both look super cute, super duper cute here. So let's go ahead and we can take a look at their accessories. So let's take a look at that. All right, and here are all the accessories for both of the figures. So this is obviously the redhead. She gets an extra bang piece, gun holder. She gets her skirt, cloth skirt, a pistol. She gets a piece for her vest, and she only gets 2 hands apparently. So she gets a gun holding hand, and I guess another hand to maybe put under the gun or hold the, I don't know what this hand would be for. So she gets that. The other one gets quite a bit more. She gets also kind of basically the same exact hairpiece, but in black. This one gets some more clips, like a clip holster. They both do get their own extra wrist pegs. She gets the same gun. She also gets this like pouch thing here. She gets a ton more hands. You know, you got gun holding hands. It looks like maybe some fist hands. Yeah, we got fist hands, we got some more hands to hold the gun in a certain way, I guess. These actually, we can go ahead and just put both of these hands on this on this rack too, because there's no need to have an extra rack. She gets a holder for her gun as well. She has her skirt, and then she gets like this belt piece that can hold a bunch of these accessories that she gets. So, and then obviously you get your typical Figma stand and baggie. So that is it for accessories. Okay, so for articulation, we're just gonna do one of them. I did put the skirts on. We'll do this one. Everything is exactly the same on each one of these, but this one has a little more stuff on it, so we'll see. Also, like, she has long hair and the other one has short hair, so the head motion might be different, but actually this one, yeah, it's not that great. Doesn't go up that far down. I think they're just using the hinge here. It's probably a hinge that kind of goes up and then back like that so they can turn. So they do get some side to side. Right at about parallel there, you can do 360 all the way around. You do get a bicep swivel at the sleeve. If I can show that. There is a bicep swivel under the sleeve. It's kind of hard to show you. It's kind of hard to show you, but it is there. Trust me, it is there, but it's like, you can't really see it move, but it is there. It's under the sleeve. The single jointed Figma elbow, that is actually worse than most in this case. And it's super disjointed. Like, really, really ugly. God awful, and it barely goes past 90 degrees. It's terrible. It's a terrible joint. Yeah, barely goes past 90. The torso, you're not getting anything. This is, you're gonna get some wobbly wobble, wobbly wobble. That's about it. 360 on the head. Also, she does have a ponytail here. It looks like it was supposed to move. I probably almost broke it, but this doesn't move unless mine is stuck. It looks like it should, but it just might be glued, but mine is, yeah, it's not moving, and I'm afraid that I might break that. As far as the waist, so yeah, bending forward that far, it's actually not that bad when you only got a waist joint though. And backwards that far, side to side. So the waist joint is functional. She just has this vest on, so not too bad. Splits, decent splits there. She can kick forward, really good. Kicking back, because there ain't no ass there. Kicking back is good. She does have a thigh swivel built into here, but nothing, no cut in the leg. That single joint Figma knee does go past 90. Luckily she has pads, so nah, it still looks terrible. The pads don't cover anything up other than when she's standing straight. As far as this foot, can go up that far, down that far, and you do get an ankle rocker, and you do have a toe joint. As far as this one, as far as any difference, everything else is the same. She does get better range on the elbow though, I'd say that. And better range on the shoulder. So oddly enough, this one has a little bit better range in areas. Same splits, same knee. The ankle is probably gonna be a little bit better because she has smaller shoes. So up, down, and ankle rocker. Yep, but no toe joint on this one. So that is the articulation for these two. Let's do some quick comparisons, and then we can wrap this up. Okay, and here they are next to the Mafex Tiger Stripe Wolverine and the SH Figure Arts Iso Shinimoria. Here they are next to the Zesray Studio Gold Hilder and the Medi Toys Leonardo. Here they are next to a lot of their counterparts. I don't remember what numbers and letters these ones were. These were the ones with the plastic skirts. So yeah, they got the, maybe they're from a different school. They got red bows and these ones have blue bows. So maybe they're from a different school or something. But yeah, that is it for comparisons. Okay, so let's wrap this up. Yeah, this is a pretty niche thing. Like, I don't expect anybody to jump and try to get these or anything like that. I'm kind of building a little Armory girl thing in my display. So eventually I'll have enough to where it can just be a bunch of Army chicks and a couple of Army guys in just one big area of my display cabinet. And you know, maybe they could be fighting it out or just standing there. But I do kind of dig that. So that's just a me thing. So this is not really something that most people would gravitate to, you know what I'm saying? So I like it, that's why I'm reviewing it. And just in case somebody else out there likes stuff like this, here you go. You can have an idea whether or not you want to get this or not. But anyway, that's it for the review. Please comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification if you want to get if you want to get notified every time I drop a new video. But outside of that, stay, I don't know, saucy? I don't even know what that means. I'm out. Peace.